Happy New Year, people. It's raining. I was supposed to go for football final. Played one. Long churo kanina upay late. Natro. Nakita ako. Rain plus sunshine, but the weather is still rainbow. 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 Shout out to Mother Nature for such a beautiful weather. Yeah. Is it visible? Huh? Rainbow. It was a boring day too today, so nothing. Everything we planned out, nothing happened. This is what happened last night after we had dinner, family dinner. Not after, during family dinner. So like as I was eating, as I was swallowing, I choked up and then coughed. I choked and I coughed, so the food on my mouth went flying. Some went into my cousin's face, my little brother's face, some right next to my cousin's face, so like it went flying all over the table. So it was the best. It was kind of nasty, but it was one of the best memories I had. So like yeah, tomorrow I'm going home back in Fab, so that's what I'm planning. Keep supporting me. It's a new year. Let's grind our dreams, because those dreams are not going to come and get us. We have to go and chase them. We have to get them. Let's chase our dreams. Let's do it.